Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush caps. I'll use a large flat-bladed screwdriver to remove the cap. Then I can remove the brush. To install the new brush, I align it with the brush holder, insert it into the holder, now I align the post on the back of the brush cap with the dimple in the center of the brush plate. I'll compress the brush spring into the holder and tighten up the cap. As I tighten the cap, I like to turn it backwards first until I hear the threads click into place. Then I can tighten it up. This helps to prevent cross-threading the cap. And I want to be sure that I don't over-tighten it or I can crack the cap. Now repeat the process on the other side. And that's how easy it is to replace the brushes on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up